Good morning, friends. Welcome to my channel. Today start Salesforce developers interview questions. Very important questions and technical related questions and sincere visits. So start the questions. First questions. You are tasked with you designing a Salesforce solution for a client who want to the automate leads scoring based on the specific the interactions. How would you approach this? I would utilize Salesforce process builders and Apex triggers to create an automated leads scoring system. Systems, the process builders would track the specific the interactions like emails, open or website visit, and update custom feeds on the leads records. Apex triggers could then adjust the leads score based on these interactions, considering factors like frequency and frequency. This system would automatically prioritize leads for the sales team. Next questions. A client needs a Salesforce custom object to track unique custom interactions, but is concerned about data security. How would you ensure data security while meeting their needs? I would start by the creating the custom object with feeds specific to the customer interactions for data security. I would implement feeds level the security to restrict access to the sensitive feeds based on users' roles. Additionally, using records type and sharing rules, I would ensure that only authorized users can view or edit these records. Regular audit and data access review would be in futures ensure ongoing ongoing the compliance with security policies. Next questions. During a Salesforce Lightning the migrations, you find that some legacy Visual Force page are not the capable compatibles. What would you be your the strategy to resolve this? I would first assess the extent of the compatibility issue with the Visual Force page for the minors minors issue. I might update the existing Visual Force code to make it lightning the computables. However, for more the significant issue, I would consider rebuilding this page using lightning web compounds, which provide the improve performance and better users experience in the lightning environment. I would also the ensure thought testing in the lightning experience to the confirm full functionality. Next questions. A company want to integrate their external ERP system with Salesforce. Describe your the approach to these interactions for integrating an external ERP system with the Salesforce. I would first access the specific data point and workflow that need to be synchronized depending on the requirement and capability of the ERP system. I would use their Salesforce REST or SOAP API for the interactions. If real-time data snags accounts is external, I would optional for the middleware tools or platform event in the Salesforce for a more seamless interactions. Proper the errors handling and data validations would be critical to the maintain the data integrity across both the system. Next questions. You notice that the batch apex job in Salesforce designing to the process large data set is a running longer than expected. How do you troubleshoot and optimize it? To troubleshoot the batch apex job, I would first analyze the execute long to identify any bottleneck or epicenter efficiencies. If the issue is due of complex the query, I would optimize the SQL query to be the more selective and efficient. I would also the review batch size to the ensure it is a optional optimal considering the Salesforce governor limit. If necessary, I would refactor the codes to the process data more the efficiently, possibly splitting the job into the smaller, more manageable patches. Next question. A client require a custom reports in the Salesforce to the analyze sales data across the multiple dimensions. However, the standard reporting features does not meet their own needs. How do you process? To address this, I would create a custom reports type, allowing for more flexibility in the selecting and relating the object. If necessary, I utilize the Apex and UserForce or Lightning Web Components to build a more dynamic and interactive reporting solutions, ensuring it can analyze the sales data across the required dimensions. I had also the implement filter and grouping the functionalities for more the regular granular analyst. Next questions. You are the developing Salesforce mobile app to feeds agent, but they reports the inconsistence performance and the data scanning the issue. What step do you take the resolve? I would first replace the issue under the virus network conditions to the understand the inconsistency. For performance, I had optimized the app lightning compounds and the ensure the efficient data facing the rendering re, rendering the for data scanning. I had checked the implementation of the Salesforce mobile SDK and astronaut organizations logic, making the sure it handle offline the scenario and the conflict conflict resolution efficiency. Next question. In a Salesforce PQ object, the price calculate are becoming the complex and causing errors. How would you simplify and ensure accuracy? I would start by the reviewing the exiting pricing rules and logic in the Salesforce CPQ. If the complexity arises from the multiple or mapping rules, I had the consider console, console, consolidate and streamline these rules for accuracy. I had implement robust validations rules and the possibly use Apex to the handle more the complex calculation, the ensuring they are the pricing and efficient. Next questions. Salesforce the ORG experience low user the adoptions post implementation the would you identify this is the issue and the increase your the adoptions. The tackle low user optimized adoptions. I had first conduct the user feedback section to identify pain point and barriers. I had also the analyze users data within the Salesforce to understand which features are the underutilized. Based on this, implemented the target training and support and streamline the complex process and customize the UI to be more user the friendly, regular the follow ups and the adapting the solution based on the ongoing the feedback would also be key. Next question. You are asked to develop a solution in the Salesforce to company with new data privacy regulations. What approach do you take? Compliance with data privacy regulation is a critical. I would start by the understanding the specific the requirement of the regulations. This is topically revenue controlling the access to the sensitive data, ensuring data accuracy, and implementing proper data protections and the directions the policies in Salesforce. I had used first level the security records access rules and audit the trails. I would also the develop custom solution as it needed, such as a automated data analyzations, process and data detection the workflow, ensuring they are the fully compliant with the regulations. Thank you so much. Very important questions and Salesforce developer job profile related and sensor based questions. So helpful questions. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye, friends.